So Lester, can you tell me a little bit about the building materials?
Yeah, we're down here in the basement here, and there's quite a lot of concrete here. One of the main initiatives that this building did in order to achieve a 6-star Green Star rating was to design the building and construct the building out of sustainable materials. The concrete down here was basically designed with up to about 30% of fly ash in it, so it displaces the Portland cement, and of course Portland cement is a very high greenhouse gas intensive material, so anything that you can displace is helping the environment. When you actually move up into the building's made up of a number of different materials within the office spaces, like for example carpet and plasterboard and paint, for example. And all of those materials were selected so they had very low VOCs, that's volatile organic compounds. And you can notice that by the fact that you have very little odour within the space, which actually is very good for health and well-being within the space as well. The insulation of the building, basically very high levels of insulation on the outside, minimum to code requirements, but a little bit further than that. And also a lot of attention was put to selecting very high performing glass, which we discussed a little bit earlier. Pretty much so, the building was really, a lot of thought was put into the materials of the building. The other thing too is within a lot of the pre-stressed concrete panels, there is steel, reinforced concrete, basically. And a lot of that steel was selected from recyclable steel. So it was second time round that steel was being used. So again, a reduction in the impact on the environment.